Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your trusted guide to finding the best tools for every job. Are you tired of dealing with unreliable chainsaws that fail to deliver when you need them most? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we'll be exploring the best electric chainsaws on the market. From precision cutting to heavy-duty performance, these chainsaws are the perfect companions for every DIY enthusiast, homeowner, or professional landscaper. In this video, we are diving deep into the top 5 electric chainsaws of 2025. Husqvarna Power Axe 350Y, Worx Nitro 40V Power Share, Ryobi 40V HP, Worx Power 20V Share, and DeWalt 60V Max. Each of these products stands out for its unique features, power, and durability. Plus, we'll break down which one is the best fit for your specific needs, from light pruning to tackling the thickest logs. Make sure to stick around until the end for all the details, and don't forget to check the description box and first comment for direct product links. These chainsaws could completely change how you handle outdoor projects. Let's get started. Husqvarna Power Axe. First up is the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i, a high-performance electric chainsaw that sets the bar for power and precision. Designed with the 36V lithium-ion battery, it offers an incredible balance of cutting strength and runtime. This chainsaw is perfect for professional-grade jobs like felling trees or cutting thick firewood. What sets the Power Axe 350i apart is its brushless motor, which provides consistent, high-torque performance. You'll appreciate the ergonomic design that reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for long hours of use. And with features like automatic chain lubrication and tool-free chain tensioning, maintenance is a breeze. Whether you're a professional or someone who just wants the best tool for yard maintenance, the Power Axe 350i is worth considering. Check the description box for the product link and get ready to experience the Husqvarna difference. Worx Nitro 40V Power Share. The Worx Nitro 40V Power Share is the perfect blend of power and convenience. What makes this chainsaw a standout is its dual 20V battery system, which ensures maximum runtime while maintaining portability. The brushless motor enhances efficiency and longevity, delivering exceptional cutting power for tasks like trimming trees and cutting firewood. A highlight of the Nitro 40V is its tool-free chain adjustment, making it incredibly easy to use even for beginners. The automatic oiling system ensures the chain remains lubricated, reducing wear and tear and extending the tool's life. With its lightweight design, this chainsaw is perfect for homeowners who need a reliable yet powerful tool for their landscaping needs. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to check the latest prices and grab yours today. Old 40V HP Chainsaw. The Ryobi 40V HP chainsaw is a powerhouse built for those who demand performance. Equipped with Ryobi's HP brushless technology, this chainsaw excels at cutting through thick logs and branches. Its 16-inch bar provides an excellent cutting capacity, while the 40V lithium-ion battery delivers an impressive runtime. This model also features a toolless chain tensioning system, making adjustments quick and hassle-free. The automatic chain oiling ensures smooth operation and extends the life of the chain and bar. Whether you're tackling yard cleanup or cutting firewood for the winter, the Ryobi 40V HP has the power and reliability you need. Click the product link in the description to learn more about this top-tier chainsaw. Worx Power 20V Share. If you're looking for a lightweight and budget-friendly option, the Worx Power 20V Share is a fantastic choice. This compact chainsaw is perfect for light-duty tasks like pruning shrubs and small tree branches. The 20V Power Share battery is compatible with other Worx tools, making it a versatile addition to your toolkit. Despite its small size, the Worx Power 20V Share doesn't compromise on performance. Features like tool-free chain adjustment and an automatic lubrication system make it user-friendly and low-maintenance. Ideal for beginners or those who don't need heavy-duty performance, this chainsaw is a great value for the price. Find the product link in the description and get this handy tool today.
That completes Ryobi Max Chainsaw.
The DeWalt 60V Max chainsaw is the ultimate choice for heavy-duty projects. Powered by a 60V flex-volt battery, this chainsaw delivers unmatched runtime and cutting power. The 16-inch bar and chain make it capable of handling large trees and thick logs with ease. A standout feature is the low kickback chain, ensuring safe and precise cutting. The brushless motor enhances durability and performance, while the tool-free chain tensioning simplifies maintenance. Whether you're a professional or just need a reliable tool for demanding tasks, the DeWalt 60V Max is built to deliver. Click the product link in the description to add this powerhouse to your collection. That wraps up our review of the best electric chainsaws of 2025. From the precision of the Husqvarna Power Axe 350H to the heavy-duty performance of the DeWalt 60V Max, there's a chainsaw here for every need and budget. Don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for direct links to these incredible tools. Tutso, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tool Mentorship and hit the notification bell so you never miss our reviews and recommendations. Let us know in the comments which chainsaw you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.